What's up, y'all? This is Antoinette Smith. I'm a software engineer at Glitch, and today in Portland, we are at XOXO Fest, where we're hosting the Glitch Appy Hour here at Holocene. So at Appy Hour, we have some of the dopest creators on glitch.com, and they'll actually be presenting their apps right in here. Who's ready? I am. Let's go. All right, so back here I just found Michael, Partnerships Manager at Glitch and also the coordinator of this entire Appy Hour event.
So we just opened the doors maybe 10 minutes ago, and I think we're already beyond the expected capacity for the duration, which is great. But we've got several 70-inch TVs set up. We've got Word Pants, we've got Make 8-Bit Art, we've got Comic Generator. Just about to kick off the actual programming portion. Becky Margraf, Christopher Swenson. We've got an incredible lineup. We're looking forward to 3 hours of playing with apps and eating donuts. Can't wait.
All right, so it's the year 2019, and what event would be complete without a selfie station? You can take your photos right here, and you'll get selfie gifts sent to your cell phone through Twilio. This app right here was created by Potch, one of our developer advocates. So Melissa, what are you excited about at Appy Hour today?
I'm excited for Powerslides. It's this cool game where you try to make up a PowerPoint-like presentation out of like improv.
So I really feel like 2013 was the year of the selfie, but 2019 is the year of the us-fee. Really a collaborative space where multiple people can be in the same photo as opposed to just one person who was in that photo initially. I feel like we've gotten to the space where we can have multiplayer, massively online photos.
All right, so finally, I want to introduce you to Margarita, the lead editor at Glitch. She's going to be doing a few interviews with some of our creators today. So let me pass the mic to her.
Hey, thank you so much. I'm really excited to be here. We have a packed house, and we're about to interview a few of the app makers.
I built an app to help me create this year's 100-day project where I crocheted a randomly generated pixel quilt.
Why Glitch?
Well, I knew that I wanted to create a project that was had some sort of random source of inspiration or content every day that I was going to be responding to. And I was really interested in creating something that could spit out kind of a random piece of pixel work that could then over time turn into this bigger purposeful piece. Glitch was really great for iterating on what that outcome might be like, changing colors, changing the balance of like white to black to colorful squares. And it was really helpful to collaborate with my partner who's a programmer.
I built a sort of replica of the Lords of Cyberspace BBS game from the 1990s to operate in a multiplayer environment on Glitch.
What made you choose Glitch to work on this project?
I mean, Glitch is just a great platform for building anything web-based. It gives me a nice interactive editor where I can make changes as necessary. I figured this is something that people may want to remix in the future, like if they have their own game, or they want to make modifications to the game, or they want to host their own server.
As you can see, Potch is editing it from his phone right now, and you can see it happen in real time. Whoa! It's being rotated. Whoa! See? All from the phone. Magic.
I'm Erin McKeon, and I work on WordNick, the biggest online dictionary. We also have an API, so developers can get like a cup of words to add to their application. When people find a word that really resonates with them, they're happy.
That's certainly how I felt when you used the phrase cup of words. That's a fantastic phrase.
I have been following Glitch for a while and playing with it a little bit, and I really love it as a way to show people in context how to do computing things. I feel like a lot of tutorials require that someone have a lot of base knowledge, like how do I set up a server? And Glitch handles all of that for you so people can understand the concepts and have fun.
My name is Julius Tarng. I built an app called Tokimeki Unfollow. It's basically applying the KonMari method of cleaning up and sparking joy in your life on Twitter. So unfollowing people that maybe don't spark joy with you anymore. The reasons I quit Twitter were for what everyone felt like a lot of stress and anxiety about everything that was happening, frustration within the tech industry, which is where I was working. But I really missed the social connections, like the friends I made.
So by following fewer people, you were able to focus more on the stuff that you're interested in learning more about.
Yeah, definitely. When you open Tokimeki Unfollow, we ask you what order you'd like to go in. So the app recommends that you start with your oldest follows first, which I found kind of on accident when I was building it. Was super interesting because you could kind of relive who you were. Like, how do your interests change over time?
My name is Nicole Key. I built an example project that uses speech recognition and narrative scripting and natural language understanding so that people can build narrative games using voice technology in the browser. I'm building a project that's based around these tools and technologies. That's sort of a bigger project, but I thought it would actually be really helpful for other people to show them sort of the distilled version of using all these different tools together. Last year I taught a class and I wish I used Glitch to show my students because it's just like so much easier to share things and have people change small things here and there so they can learn how it works. So I just wanted to take this big project that I'm working on, turn it into the small pieces, into an example app that other people can learn from.
I'm Lizzie.
And I'm Potch.
And we are developer advocates at Glitch, and we are having the most amazing time as this wonderful Appy Hour party is wrapping up. It's been a huge success.
Obviously, all the apps that were featured here today are going to be available for you to play with. We'll be linking those out. We hope that even if you couldn't be here in person, you'll be with us on glitch.com and be able to play along. Thanks.